Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have a return to this channel's roots with a repair video. I believe it's a Lenovo Ideapad 3. It's missing the backlight after some misadventure. As expected with a repair like this, we need to approach with caution as somebody has been in here before me. Let's tear it down. I can't emphasize enough, when you're working on one of these, disconnect the battery first. This is what got us into this problem in the first place. Technically this could be done without pulling it apart, but you're risking irreparable damage if something goes wrong. The first thing I noticed was the missing hard drive, but it's actually that little blue card. My brain just instantly went to Bluetooth module or something. I believe there is a cable and bracket available to mount a standard SSD. It connects via that empty ribbon connector. Problem connector. This is what I think caused the failure. Unplugging the LCD cable with the laptop accidentally turned on and the battery still plugged in. Off or not, it's not worth the risk. Many a screen repairer's worst nightmare repairing iPad minis back in the day. With the board out, I can do a visual inspection for anything obvious. My old man used to use a jeweler's loupe. Fortunately, with my bad eyesight, I have this brilliant Heyer digital microscope. Check the link in the description for my review video and where to buy one. These blob solder links are interesting. Let's get the multimeter out and have a bit of a look. F2 is open, we'll come back to that. Looking for the right part. My workshop is a bit disorganised. It's been 6 months and I still don't know where everything is. Wow, this is massive. Totally the wrong part, but I'm in a bit of a hurry to get this one out the door, so I'll just go with it. It belongs to a friend, so don't worry, I wouldn't do that to a customer who's paying full price. A bit extra flux never hurt anybody. Now instead of this, obviously any smaller wattage 1 ohm resistor or even a thin strand of wire would do. It's basically a non-user replaceable fuse. The manufacturers do this on purpose. On iPads, for example, it would be marked FL. It's an acronym for fusible link. The widely used term filter is a misnomer, deviously used to cover up how terrible the whole idea is. Obviously the ridiculously large resistor I put in won't be fusing anytime soon, but we'll just try not to think about that. I'll just dry that off a bit and we can reassemble. That was a close call with a misplaced screw. I have no idea why you would do this, Lenovo, but your ribbon cables are ridiculously hard to get in. The thermal paste still looks like paste, so I'll reuse it. Glad I checked that fan, it's a lot of dust. My rant about the ribbon cable before. This one earned me a comeback as the audio wasn't working. These are a letdown for an otherwise beautifully designed laptop. A reminder about that battery cable. First thing unplugged, last thing plugged in. Otherwise you're going to blow that backlight fuse. Powering on. Yes, we have a screen. I think I need a coffee refill. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more dodgy repair videos. Thanks for watching. Found it.